Austin Mayfield here on why the rich get richer. Okay? When they have to do something important and they need to get it done really fast, they do it when they have to pee. That way they get it done the quickest way possible. Just kidding, but seriously, that's not a bad approach on certain things. Okay? So, topic of the day. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. What makes the rich rich? I feel that's a more appropriate term than why the rich get richer, okay? They get richer. Think about it. You have always been told this. Stick with what you know, right? Stick with what you know. Don't get out of your comfort zone. That's okay. Sometimes I agree with that. But I'm going to add something else. But there you go. What do you think about that? Stick with what you know, but remember, what you know had to be learned. Okay? Actually, all of this, I didn't come up with this, but I took this and I added this to it, and that is my quote. That's an Austin Mayfield quote right there. Okay? So, what does this tell us? This tells us that the rich are constantly getting richer. I'm not talking about a guy that has $1 million, $10 million, stuff like that. Those guys are just scared. They've worked so hard for it, and they put it in the bank, and they just try not to lose it. But they're losing it because of inflation, okay? I'm talking about people worth, say, north of $50 million, okay? 50 million to 100 billion. Okay, these guys, that's the category we're talking about. Stick with what you know, but remember what you know had to be learned by Austin Mayfield, okay? So, I'm going to give you a big clue right here. Stick with me, okay? This is valuable stuff. Free stuff at that. They do not spend earned income. What does that mean? They do not spend earned income. They invest it. They only spend passive income. What does that mean? That means they invest all of their earned income, whatever they have left over after they pay for their jets and their yachts and all that jazz. They invest it, okay, to make that money have little babies, multiply. They only spend passive income, aka cash flow from their investments. Period. That's how it works. It's so very simple and everybody overthinks it, okay? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. You got free opportunities in the description below. I'm Austin Mayfield, founder of NoLimitProducts.com. Start selling with NLP today and we'll save you a lot of money as opposed to selling on Amazon or running your Shopify store. Check it out. Description and down there. Austin Mayfield, thanks.